How to log in to Simply Financial. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Simply Financial account. Now if you want to get logged into your Simply Financial account, follow the steps. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. At the search bar type simply.com. Make sure you enter the correct keyword here. You can also pause this video and check the keyword. Now after typing this keyword on the search bar, hit the enter button of your keyboard to search it. Within a few seconds, you will be taken to the official website of Simply Financial. Here once you reach to this page, at the top you will find sign on button. You just simply have to click on this sign on button right here and you will find this pop-up window. Here in this login interface, you will have to enter your card number and the password associated with your Simply Financial account. Here if you have not registered your card yet, you can click on this register option right here and then from here you will find 3 steps that you can use to register your card. Once doing that, you can now log into your Simply Financial account. Enter your card number in this box and the password in the second box. Make sure you enter the correct details here. You can also click on this show password option right here to reveal the password you entered and check whether it is correctly entered or not. You may also click on this option remember my card if you want your card to be remembered for future logins in your own personal device. Make sure you don't use this feature in other PC apart from yours. If in case you don't remember your password, you can reset or recover your password by selecting this reset your password option right here and following the on-screen instructions given to you. Once you have entered your credentials and any other required additional information, click on this sign in button right here and you should be logged into your Simply Financial account. After that, you can manage your finances, check balance, make transfers, and perform various banking tasks as needed. So by following these steps, you can easily log into your Simply Financial account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.